Hello, I'm Dr.Moosa from the Laser Vision Institute, and I'm here to share with you today some of my experiences of life that brought me into doing what I do today. I began my college educational career at the University of Southern California, USC, and went on to go to Harvard Medical School for my medical school training. At that point, I was clear in my mind I wanted to become a physician with a true goal of trying to help people. It's always been something that's been a genuine interest of mine, and I've always wanted to do something to help the community and individuals as far as my desire to be a contributing member of society. But throughout my experience, I always found my interest in helping patients see better. My interest in vision became an interest that developed through med school. And during that time, I discovered that I had a passion for ophthalmology and decided to pursue ophthalmology. And when I did, and ophthalmology is truly the specialist training that one requires to do eye surgery and correct one's visual problems. I was focused on doing cataract surgeries, glaucoma, corneal transplants, but it wasn't until I discovered laser eye surgery where I found my true passion in medicine. About 21 years ago, I began doing Lasik eye surgery, and it's been the defining moment of my life that has carried on in my career from that point forward. And I've been excited to be a part of this tremendous science and technology and being at the forefront of it to help enjoy not only the new technological advances, but also to be involved in being one of the earliest surgeons to do surgical procedures such as the Contura, which is a topo-guided LASIK eye surgery, which is one of the most significant breakthroughs we have in laser eye surgery today. Custom LASIK surgery, which is an incredible opportunity to see clearly, and as well the SMILE laser technology, which today we are very proud to offer at our institute. So it's been a tremendous experience over the past 21 years of helping patients with poor vision see without contacts and glasses. And that's the excitement that's fulfilled my life in the last 21 years of my practice and career. Thank you so much for your time, and again, I'm Dr. Moosa from the Laser Vision Institute.